Hi, welcome to Champion Trading. What we're demonstrating for you today, this is a Groen tilting kettle, as you can see, all stainless steel. It's the DEE 4/20 model. These particular units have a electrically heated water-filled jacket, in this case distilled water. It's a national board rated jacket for 30 psi, so the heaters generate some pressure. And as you can see, we've been running for about 26 minutes. And without getting the lens fogged up, see, we're running at a full boil right now. So they operate very efficiently and very quickly. Also has a timer on it, and some of the original equipment on it includes a pressure gauge. You see right here, it's got just about 20 pounds pressure built inside it. There's also a pressure relief on that. You want to put a new one on just for safety, of course. It has a small rheostat type temperature controller, and the handle you see on the front is for tilting the kettle and pouring material out. We have lots of kettles like this in our stock, so I do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com, where you can see all our inventory. The site is updated daily. We look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us today.